Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. The question is, some people feel that our lives are more comfortable now because of new communication technology such as cell phones and emails. Others say that they contribute to modern ills like hurry sickness, where everyone feels too rushed and do not think faster communication has improved our lives. What are the advantages and disadvantages of modern communication technology? So, the basic premise of the question is, some people think that technology has improved our lives, while others feel that it hasn't. Okay, and we have to describe both the advantages and the disadvantages. Okay, so firstly, let's look at the advantages. Instant communication allows people to connect instantly across long distances through mediums like cellular phones and emails. Okay, so with the advent of new technology such as mobile phones and applications such as WhatsApp, it has enabled seamless communication. We can communicate, we can talk to anyone who is far away, like friends, family, relatives, or anyone else. Okay. Second point is increased productivity. Instant messaging services like WhatsApp facilitates quicker exchange of information, leading to faster decision making and enhanced efficiency. People communicate through WhatsApp. Microsoft Teams is prevalently used in offices to communicate to team members. Okay, let's say there's a team of 8 members. They are working on a project. They can build a group on Microsoft Teams and communicate about the project itself. So it has led to increased productivity. They can communicate, they can talk about the project, what should be the next step, and that has seamless and that enables them to work on those projects. For example, there are project management softwares also like Asana, which helps people to basically divide the task into 4 different team members. Okay. Third is accessibility. Search engines like Google provide easy access to information and resources, enabling individuals to stay informed and connected at all times. So we know Google, we just put whatever we want to search, whatever we want to find the information about, and Google spits out the result in milliseconds or in a few seconds. Okay, this has increased the information that we know about certain products. Okay, or anything of that sort. Okay, the fourth point is cost effectiveness. Many platforms offer free or low cost communication options, reducing the need for expensive traditional methods like long distance calls. Previously, like before WhatsApp, we used to have call cards whereby we have to recharge every time, like we had to recharge the SIM basically and to call someone. Now we can use WhatsApp to call anyone. Now calling is very cheap. You can do video calls through Zoom or Skype as well. So technology, as it has grown, has reduced the cost of talking to each other. Okay, or speaking to each other who are separated by a long distance. Now let's look at the disadvantages. Information overload. Constant access to communication channels can lead to an overwhelming amount of information, causing stress and difficulty in prioritizing tasks. Since we have a lot of information coming through, we often get confused. Let's say you are watching TV and there are multiple, like, there are 500 channels. So you are just pushing the button for the next channel, next channel, the next channel. Because there's so much information. So your mind isn't focused. You just flicker from one channel to another. Okay? And that creates confusion. Another example is that you have different news outlets talking about the same info. So you can't basically analyze the situation, you cannot analyze the news because there is so many different information that's coming from all the corners. Okay. Second is dependency. Over reliance on technology for communication can hinder face to face interactions and interpersonal relationships, leading to social isolation and loneliness. Because we are so reliant on talking over the phone or through Zoom via video call. Whenever people meet like face to face, many people are socially anxious. They don't know how to, you know, talk easily when they are face to face. They get jittery, and that leads to overcomplicated situations. Third point is distraction. Continuous alerts and notifications can disrupt focus and productivity, leading to decreased attention span and low quality work. Let's say you're doing a task and you have notifications coming in. You want to see that notification, but your work is still pending. So now you're distracted because you want to see those messages, you're replying on that messages, you're replying the messages. So your work is getting piled up. So what has the overuse of technology done is that it has cluttered your mind and you cannot focus on your task. Fourth and the last one is privacy concerns. Increased connectivity also raises concerns about privacy and data security as personal information is shared and stored across various platforms. This is a tough one. What happens is that you log in, for example, every website requires a login, Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platform, or and even your emails also. So those emails, your Facebook, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Instagram has a lot of information about you, and that raises privacy concerns as well. What will happen if someone hacks your Facebook, your Instagram? They can morph your images and put it on social media, and then you will have to go to police to find out who the culprit is, and it becomes and for the police to catch that person, it becomes very difficult. Okay, so there are legitimate privacy concerns about technology also. So this was the question for what are the advantages or and disadvantages of modern communication technology. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button